Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to unpublish or delete an app from the Google Play console. I'll also guide you through the process of filling out the form required to submit a request for app deletion. So if you're a developer looking to manage your app's visibility or remove it completely from the Play Store, this video is for you. Once you're logged in, you'll see the list of all your apps. Select the app you'd like to unpublish. As you can see, my app is already unpublished, but in this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to do this yourself if your app isn't unpublished yet. On the left-hand menu, click on Setup, then choose Advanced Settings. In the App Availability section, toggle the option to Unpublished. This will make your app invisible to new users, but existing users can still access it. As we just saw, unpublishing your app is the first step toward deletion. Next, go to the official Google Play support page and look for the app removal request form. I'll include the link in the video description below. Start by entering your first and last name. This is the email address you use to sign into your Play console. Select your location. Enter your developer name as it appears in your Play console. You'll find this in the Play console under your account settings. Make sure to copy it correctly. Provide the exact name of your app and the package name. Choose I want to request for app deletion. App must be in good standing, not removed or suspended by Google. App must have 0 lifetime installs. App must be unpublished for 24 hours to ensure 0 installs. If you ensure all that, write, for example, request to delete my app for my account, Google Play console. If needed, attach any supporting files, such as screenshots showing the app details or errors. Use the Choose Files button to upload the files. When all the details are filled out, double-check everything and click the Submit button to send your request. After submitting the form, you should receive a confirmation email from the Google Play console support team. This email will acknowledge your request and usually includes a reference number. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. Got questions? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help. See you in the next video.